Today's a very special day at Indian Motorcycle Daytona Beach. Son Tyler has flown all the way to Jacksonville Beach to meet with his father. Unbeknownst to father, Tyler bought a motorcycle for Dad. They're on their way down here right now. Dad thinks that son has just gotten his motorcycle endorsement, and Dad, being a big Indian fan, is coming down to look at potential purchases for son. So they're going to be here very shortly, and let's see what happens when Dad sees his new motorcycle. This thing is always awesome.
Awesome. I like the way you think.
Hey, Dad. Dad.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right.
Dad, I'm serious.
There you are.
I'm serious, Dad. What are you talking about? About you and me.
You did not.
Happy Father's Day.
What do you say?
Love you.
Thank you.
Check it out. Wow. Right, Tyler. Thanks. Oh. Yeah.
I'm Mike.
Hey, Mike and Tyler.
How you doing?
Doing well. Nice to meet you. Thank you guys again.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah, Brian.
Brian.
Yeah.
Brian, co-conspirator.
Brian helped make all this happen with me.
Wow.
He's speechless. Haven't seen that many times.
Holy cow.
That's just amazing.
I noticed that.
Not too big.
It's very
Is it too big for you?
Well, they're beautiful, Mike. I haven't even seen the new ones.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, you're going to love it, too. Absolutely going to love it.
I guess the end